How to practice exercise in Khan Academy. If you have been using the Khan Academy application and wondering on how to practice exercise on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to Explore button at the bottom. Select it. From here you can simply find the subjects that you would like to study. Now choose one of the topics just like this. Now again tap onto one of the topics just like this. Then again choose one just like this. Now to simply practice exercise, find the exercise. Now scroll down. Now here you can find the exercise right here. So a document like icon right here is the exercise of this subject. Now simply learn the topics and course first and you can do the exercise and practice it. Now tap onto one of these just like this. And from here you can simply practice the exercise. Now tap onto Let's Go. Now simply practice these exercises right here. You can choose the answer and you can simply skip it if you don't know. And that's it. This is how you can practice exercise in Khan Academy. Now do the same process for other courses as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.